Home, office, kids, husband, you have enough and more on your plate. But hey, wait. Somewhere I can see those precious little 15 minutes of your life, 15 minutes जो सिर्फ आपके हैं for your very own fitness. Welcome to Reebok Fit in 15 with Easy Tone, powered by me, Mickey Mehta. This is my fitness partner Sangya, and together we will help you achieve the fitness that you deserve. जो आज तक आप इग्नोर करते आए हैं.
Women have a reason to smile now because in every fitness module of this show is designed specially for you. So if you're a homemaker, college goer, working woman or any age group, hop on to the fitness bandwagon with us.
आज का मॉड्यूल है खास उन मल्टीटास्कर्स के लिए who juggle between home, office, kids, husband all at once. I am in awe of you all, the 9 to 5 working women.
True, you all are fantastic, but we're quite sure that in doing so much, you have happily let go of your health and fitness. There's a reason why you feel tired all the time. It's not just the stress that piles up. Sitting in the office for long hours without any exercise adds to the tires around your waistline.
So don't waste time for the sake of that waistline. अपने रूटीन में से रोज सिर्फ 15 मिनट निकालने की बात है and you will see the difference. तो चलिए शुरू करें.
चलिए.
Girls, in the first exercise, once we open our legs this side, we are lying down with our heads this side and we will be doing head to the knee, head to the knee. Okay, come on girls, do it. Hands up to your sides. Head is down. So when I say 1, pull your right knee, hold it and bring your forehead. Breathe out. And don't be in a hurry to put it down. Stay there. Let the gravity dissolve all your stress. Are you comfortable? Now take a deep breath. Pull your right leg. Bring your forehead up. Stay there. Back. Again breathe out. Pull your left leg. Stay there. Back. Right leg. Breathe out. Very good, Sangya. Back. Breathe out. Left leg. Back. Breathe out. Right leg. Back. Breathe out. Left leg. Girls, back. Breathe out. Right leg. Breathe out. Left leg. Hold. Come up. Hold. Is to strengthen your core. Release. Now girls, pull both your legs and come up with your forehead, both your legs together. Stay there, hug yourself, stay there, hug yourself, and release. Very good. Okay, come up girls. So, Sangya, how did you feel? You feel a little tightness in your stomach?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah, feels good.
Feel crunched?
Yes.
Feel a lot of blood circulating inside?
Definitely.
Great. Very good. The smiles on your face endorse that. Now, just stretch your legs a little bit. Keep breathing out and keep coming to the knees. Gradually, gradually, and stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there. Release. Very good. Okay, girls, the next exercise is a back specific and also it stretches the stomach. Simple to do. Just watch me first. Get straight down on your stomach with your hands next to your shoulders and chest. Got it? From here, take a deep breath. Breathe out and come down. Deep breath. Come down. Hands behind. Deep breath. And down. Okay, girls? So first, girls, get into your position like Sangya. Sangya, was this comfortable? You think ladies at home would be able to do it? The multitaskers? Great. It is a multitasking exercise because it has a combination. Thank you. Okay, ladies, set, chin down. Touch the chin to the floor, ladies. Very good. Take a deep breath, come up. Breathe out and down. Hands behind. And your entire body up. This is reverse Naukasana. Down. Hands to your sides. Deep breath and up. Down. Hands behind. Deep breath and up. Down. Hands to your sides. Deep breath and up. Down. Hands behind. Deep breath and up. This strengthens your back. Deep breath and up. Makes your spine very flexible. And down. Last time. Deep breath and up. Down. Hands behind. Deep breath and up. Hold it there for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, girls. Breathe out and come back and sit in Vajrasan. So, Sangya, do you think a multitasking girl will be able to do it?
We'll do it and enjoy it.
Sure.
Yes, yes.
Makes you feel empowered?
Definitely.
Very nice. Okay, girls, up on your knees. Loosen up a little bit. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Forward, backward. Very good, very good. Back into Vajrasan. The third workout. A little extra effort needed in this, but if you concentrate, you will do well. Now, this is a half cat stretch. Ardha Surya Namaskar. So just watch me first, okay? So from here, crawl down to this position. Got it? Breathe in and up. Breathe out and go back in Vajrasan. Get your bums down on your heels. Got it? Again, take a deep breath and come down. Breathe out and up. Breathe in and go back and sit. Got it, girls? Looks quite simple, but a little concentration needed. Okay, Sangya, back into your position. Sit in Vajrasan. So gradually get your position, be on your chin. Follow my instructions very carefully. Okay, first release your breath. Take a deep breath again. Release your breath. Ease out yourself. Relax your mind before you get into it. Okay. Now get into Bhujangasana. Take a deep breath up. Arch yourself. Become a serpentine. Now breathe out and go back and sit in Vajrasan and stretch yourself. Very good, girls. Very good. Again, come forth. Come flat on the ground and go down. Again, get into Bhujangasana. Up. And go back and sit in Vajrasan. Very good. Again, back on the floor. This is a composite workout for the upper body as well as for the lower body. It's a fantabulous workout. This workout makes you very agile. Again, back on the floor. Up. Back. It's a great workout to improve your digestive system, stamina, endurance, conditioning, and agility. Push with strength in your arms, girls. Up. That's it. Look sharp. Back. Relax. Relax. Breathe out. Ease out. Again, back on your stomach. Very good. And up with strength. Very good. Stretch your stomach. Do you feel the stretch in your stomach, Sangya? Great. Back into your Vajrasan. And on the ground again for the last time. And up. And get back into Vajrasan. Stay there, girls. Start breathing out. Start breathing out. Empty yourself. Remove all the toxic gases. Ease out yourself. Ease out your lungs. Remove all the carbon dioxide. Refresh yourself with fresh oxygen. And slowly come up and sit in Vajrasan. And take a deep breath. Relax and sit in a calm, poised posture. Remain still and calm. Let your heartbeats be restored. Let you get collected completely. Calm down, cool down. And slowly open up your eyes and sit in normal position with your spine straight. So I hope you enjoyed this workout. After that easy to do workout, I am sure you're feeling great already. Now it's one time when sweating will feel great. So come on, what are you waiting for? Schedule these Fit in 15 somewhere in your day and get going. We will come back with yet another fitness tailor-made to suit every woman's need. We hope आपने ये quick workout enjoy किया होगा. Now make being fit a habit with Reebok. Fit in 15 with easy tone every day only on Zoom. Have a fit day.